Welcome to SpitFireMods. This is a modified Scotle HR460. Typical unit, some of the reasons why we modify these units, and we wanted to go over a little bit of that with you, is a lot of times these units ship in damaged. This unit shipped in with a broken bottom plate. As you can see, the bottom plate was cracked coming in. The upper knobs were busted off. As you can see, that knob right there was broken off in shipping. Had some other bent up items. The side of the housing was all damaged because they actually took this piece. They took the head unit and actually laid it beside the unit, and it got all smashed up in shipping. So we've cleaned up some of those issues. We put some spacers in the knobs so they actually work. They didn't even work when they came in. They were not spaced properly. So we fixed those up so that your upper head unit now has some resistance, so when you adjust it, it doesn't drop right down. Most Chinese units do drop right down when they come in, and it's just a poor design or improper assembly. The units we use for board support, we put 3 rows of board supports on both sides. We also use a crossbar. This is a new crossbar that doesn't come with the unit, but it fits better, and it allows you to do adjustable bottom support so that your board is supported in the middle as well as the sides, so it's not going to go anywhere while you're reflowing or reattaching a chip. The profiles that came with the unit had no preheat. I don't know why the profiles they ship with it don't preheat, have no preheat pattern. All boards need to be preheated before work is done. So we modified all the profiles, and actually we just installed new profiles to actually make the unit work correctly. This unit has a pull-out tray on the side. We also pulled that tray out. There were a lot of wire problems, connection problems. We repaired those. We swapped out some of the components on the power supply so that it had a more solid measurement unit. As you can see, the green line there is the bottom preheater. Most likely the bottom preheater is underneath there, and it's probably just not positioned right, so we'll be repositioning that so that the line is not bouncing around like that. As you see on your graph, all your graphs should be stable, so that's your temperature tracking, and when you see irregularities like that, that means there's something wrong with the machine and you need to correct it. So that probe will be moved to a position that it actually can monitor the bottom heat being applied to the bottom of the board, which will stabilize the machine as far as accuracy. We're looking to get this machine 100% accurate so that it has a success rate of near 100%. This machine, so far we've done a small handful of boards on this machine during testing, and they have all been 100%. So we're looking for some good results with this machine. The 360, I'm told, is no longer in production, so all machines will now be shipping as a HR460 with the same modifications as the 360. And that is our video for today. It's our first video on the HR460. We'll be doing some initial setup and configuration profiles videos for your profiles next. Thanks, and have a good day. Welcome to the new year. This is the first video for New Year's 2014.